Hey, you up for a challenge? Let's play a game. I'll tell you a cool fact about a country and you try to guess which country it is. Ready? Here we go. There's a country in the world where you as a tourist can become a captain of a boat for just $100. You can ride this boat all by yourself in the open sea and you don't need to have any prior experience or knowledge on how to do it. They'll let you go all around the coast of this island and have fun on the boat all by yourself. No captain, no crew, no license needed. Sounds crazy, but it's true. In fact, they'll even allow you to go as far as you want and ride as fast as you'd like. Which country do you think it is? And the country is Greece. Here on the island of Zakynthos, they'll allow you to rent a boat for about $100 and let you ride it along the coast all by yourself, which is kind of crazy but awesome at the same time. You can check out this video to see how you can become a captain for a day and subscribe for more interesting travel content.